I do. Have you found a special woman in Sisimiu yet?
Ningiu, katingit
My nigga is in Kakok, you motherfucker.
nah,
Jollain Tom ay katino.
Sean Liner. Ja. Det kunne så ikke til sig på. Det kunne. Endnu til at vi er der. Fucking oh. How the fuck am I supposed to win?
With skills
Yeah.
and determination.
Yeah.
Tama menina king.
Sensya kayo noon na ka. Oh.
I'll be moaning in his ear like, they be ruthless.
Yeah, I mean, just like me when I meet your mom.
Damn. And the worst
mom
thing is, I
can
can't even
boom.
say the same. You
can say it
motherfucker.
if you're not a coward.
Okay. That's the same thing I said about your mama
Tokuniko hivi.
when I was.
Preciso hivi. Okay, niitä na tokuven.
Hey, mine also about to get expired, so don't talk to me.
What do you mean expired?
Cancer, bro.
Kissa si nothing or
Man.
Bimoso, huh?
Always said. Yapa.
Dude, shut up. I see you Scooby-Doo. I'm coming after you. We're gonna solve that mystery.
Yapa ya. Yapa ya. I'm a yapper in the road. Yapa ya. Yapa.
Like, I did get to hype, but like a half a second later, I'll just end up dying.
Big yappers.
Dude, so shut up. Shut the fuck up.
Sukatano menu.
Dude! Fucking somersaulter lidt. Robin Hood, Nightwing, fucking Spider-Man, acrobatic og lidt der bare.
360 no scope.
Gun run, det er en bitte riser stand af. Yamidi kudasai.
Huh? Yamete kusatai.
Yamidi kudasai.
Så då det ju sin nästa lopput.
Nah, at inatyraqap uquutunguusarsuasi.
Yeah, but it depends on if they're good with the fucking knife.
Yapa.
Dude. Så sui.
I've been having diarrhea all day yesterday, so I'm kind of afraid of partying right now.
Okay, Mr. Yap.
Så
Shut the fuck up! I'll whip your fucking ass in real life.
Lifeline kisim toko autis. Uma lifeline toko tatipis. Lifeline tesengin toko. Lifeline.
Yeah.
No,
I'm in love with the life of you. I'm in love with the line of your life. Wait, I'm in love with the life of I'm in love with the life of line.
Bro's yapping too much.
Dude, shut the fuck up with the yapping, bro. Amy, push.
Push me.
damn, you just got 2 kills in a row.
Yep, they got me gamer.
Damn! Shit, innatyva kappukaan sa pingilakpot! Ana, suwasaksiyun!
Sorry, I'm not a yapper.
Så hard earlier to be yapper.
Yep, skip.
Dude, skipping the toilet og det er også sådan det.
Skibidi up, did it die? Skibidi up, did it die? I love another cliche, babe. Skibidi up,
I just wanna be appreciated.
Whatever you like, I love.
Skal love, yep, lifeline.
Just killed him.
Yeah, but lifeline.
Damn, I got the P2020.
Swing up nga. Where are they?
Tokus, sige.
Sumi kami.
Tokus, sige.
Chill, man.
Stop yapping and kill someone.
Shut up, man. No!
Shit, amaatsa sa winapot. Tavalo perikot. Pingasulak po sa vakakto maksuulakpot.
Namasarap.
Respawn!
Masarap po.
Ivi, ikkisi. Nawa ako tekara.
No, I will not accept that.
Assassin. Takuhin na mitatunog.
Voices in my head, yeah.
Quit yapping.
Those voices in my head.
Quit yapping.
Get out of my head.
That is also
Get
you're
out my
gonna
head.
regret that you said it in the first place.
Why are you yapping?
You shut the fuck up!
Bro's yapping.
Uh,
Blood is yapping.
Mr. Yapper.
I actually haven't played. I don't think I've played Control in this map.
Controlling yapper.
That's actually new.
Awesome, even when.
Dude, you know what? Jeg kender damit somersault så sagt lidt dobbelt jump, straight jump.
Are you assaulting me, Yapper?
Nasa min på. Ja.
Bro, try to hide. Yapping out assassin.
This dance forever.
How deep is your love? Is it like Nirvana? Americana? Carbonara? How deep is your love?
Bruh. Funky pants scamming. Are you Kama? You are Kama. Ivison ni pasok ka.
Because I'm concentrating!
Source, please stop. He's gonna cry.
Why you suck so much dick, huh? Your breath be smelling like nachos, you do know that. You motherfucker, I can smell it from here.
Kinararimi kisati kiras.
Tsunami assy.
Say, girl, can I get your Gmail?
Gmail, no. Shut it, yeah, but you. No way.